Matin va a That's good morning, friends, in Scottish Gaelic, which is still spoken, for example, on the island of Lismore here across the water. I wanted to share another insight with you, which I gained after interviewing the French ambassador to the UK recently, Hélène Duchesne. It made me put it like this. English, French, Spanish, and Mandarin, the big languages of this world, you obviously learn them to be able to communicate with a large amount of people. But the smaller languages, why would you want to learn them? Well, every language gives you a whole different worldview. It gives you the opportunity to explore a different culture, its literature, its music, its song. Everywhere I go in the world, I try to learn at least a few phrases of that language. And what it does, it gives me the key to the town. People open up. So I would encourage everyone to learn just a few phrases, stick with it, and keep going and celebrate every little success. So I always learn at least good day, thank you, and goodbye. And at the moment, I'm learning Fering. That's a dialect of Northern Frisian from the island of Fær, or Föhr in German. And in that dialect, that would be good eye, full tongue, and adios.